Welcome to another episode of Decalogues. Today we are at another Deca home near Nagarbavi.
One of our friend is there, Mr. Abhinav. So we visited their house. So their design were quite impressive. So we came to know Decapart has designed all those designs and all. So we are quite impressed with that, and we contacted Decapart, and we have made all these things with Decapart. We shared our house designs and all, so dimensions and all. So she has prepared 2D and 3D. So they are quite impressive.
This home follows a traditional theme. The living is separated from the dining with a jali partition. The TV unit has a backdrop of wooden finished laminates along with a few storage units. This is an island kitchen with high gloss laminates used for all the storage units. The jali cut at the puja room matches the jali segment that separates the living and the dining. The master bedroom has wooden high gloss laminates used for the storage units.
They are quite cooperative and sporty. We are very happy with final designs. They have executed nicely. We are happy with.
We'll be back with more Decalogues from Decapart.